Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Kordial Media YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create idea pins that convert Pinterest visitors into followers and website visitors. If you don't know me, welcome. My name is Adriana. I run a Pinterest marketing agency called Kordial Media, where we offer do-it-for-you services that help drive traffic and sales utilizing Pinterest. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new YouTube video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into how you can create the best idea pins for your business. So idea pins are really to provide Pinterest users ideas. It's not a platform like what stories are on Instagram. It's really there to be utilized in terms of a DIY tutorial sort of format. So you want to educate your Pinterest audience, you want to give them ideas, you want to give them tips and tricks, how-tos, things like that in order to inspire them so much that they want to save your pins and check out your content and visit your website for more tips and tricks. I'm going to use the example of if I were to upload an idea pin for my personal fashion blog, Elegance. We're going to use my Pinterest account to create an idea pin from scratch. I'm going to take you through the brainstorm process, the uploading process, the shooting process, all that stuff, all the way until the end so you know exactly how to create the best idea pin for your business. So step number one is really brainstorming, right? I know that Pinterest wants 5 slides minimum. They want 5 slides and they want us to utilize all of their features: a video, static image, voiceover, text, call to action, and of course, all while inspiring the Pinterest user. So I know that I have a video on 3 ways to style an all black outfit. I also know that I have images of me wearing an all black outfit that I can add text with to give style tips along with the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and extract the video as well as the images, and I'm gonna start uploading them into the idea pins drafts on Pinterest. So the first thing you wanna do is obviously get on your Pinterest app, and you are going to click the little feature on the top left with your name on it, and you're gonna wanna create a new idea pin. So I'm going to click create new and we'll start from scratch. So over here is where we land. I could start off with just recording myself if I want, or I could use a pre-styled video as well. So I'm going to use a pre-styled video. So I'm going to go to my camera roll and use my video over here. Now it's over a minute, so it's going to tell me to trim it. So let's do that. This is going to be my cover slide. So I'm gonna have this be as the very first slide of my idea pin, like that. It attracts more users because it's a movable piece of content. So either you can use an old video or a video that you create especially for your idea pin, or you can just film yourself talking as the first slide. Personally, when I create idea pins for my clients, I usually repurpose an Instagram video first as the first slide, and then we go ahead and we repurpose content from the blog. But this is how you can do it if you're doing it for yourself. So first slide over here, we trimmed it. I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Now we wanna use all of the features allowed, right? So let's start off by adding a little music. Why not? So I'm gonna go to the music section, top picks, and just click maybe a fun piece of music. That one seems fun. Let's use that. Let's click add. And then it'll allow me down here to choose how loud I want the music to be. So I'm gonna lower it because I'm also gonna do some text, some voiceover. Let's save that. And then let's use the voiceover. So let's go ahead and start it back over here. And I'm just gonna click record and start recording my voiceover. Hey guys, my name is Adriana and I have a fashion blog called Elegance that helps young professionals easily style, see I screw up, so let's start over. Hey guys, I'm Adriana from Elegance and I help young professionals easily style outfits for a successful career. Today's video is all about how to style an all black outfit. You can use these outfits as outfit inspiration for a business casual setting, or perhaps you can use these outfits for the office because you have a more relaxed environment. Whatever it is that you like to wear these all black outfits for, feel free to get inspiration, check out my website, and enjoy the idea pin. So that's my voiceover. Let's click done. And let's see how it sounds all together. Actually, you can edit the, not the filter, but the full audio of everything. Let's see the music. Hey guys, I'm Adriana from Elegance, and I help young professionals easily style outfits for a successful career. Today's video is all about how to style an all black outfit. Okay. You can use these. So that's perfect for the very first slide. Now let's add some more standard images because Pinterest likes variety. So the first slide is a movable piece of content. The next slide is going to be a standard, just like static image. So I'm going to go back to my camera roll and upload another cool pic. So let's upload this one, for instance, right over here. So this one, now I'm going to add some text on this slide, and I'm going to say like tip number 1. You can also choose like your fonts and whatever it is that you prefer. I don't personally have a preference, but let's just go with, oh, I like this one. Journal's fun, although maybe a little bit harder to read. So play around with the fonts and see what you like. Let's use teaspoon for the sake of this example, and let's type something like style your all black outfit with a fun blouse. Just like that. Now that I think about it, on the very first slide, I forgot to add a title, and it's actually really important to add a title because that's what's going to draw people in. So I'm going to go back and do that in a second, but this is going to be the picture that, like the second slide's text that I'm going to use. I'm going to also add maybe like a fun color, something that's on point with your branding. That's up to you. Let's just use red, and then let's make it stand out. So that will be your tip number 1. Now I'm going to click done and go back to the first slide. Hey guys, I'm Adriana from add some text. So I'm going to type literally a keyword optimized title or something that's like really straightforward, a very great, easy, like how to type of title. So how to style an all black outfit. There we go. That'll be the title. Elegance, and I help young. And I'm going to place it in a way that doesn't totally block like everything in the video. Professionals easily style outfits for a successful career. Today's video is all about. That seems like a good spot. Actually. Hey guys. I prefer it up here better. Let's do it up here. I'm Adriana from Elegance, and I help young professionals easily style outfits. So let's use it like that. So the first slide should have your title absolutely and a movable, something movable. And then the next slide, you can like play around more with like tips and more standard images. So the second slide is a standard image. Let's upload a third slide with a third tip. So let's add like this one. And this one has like a blue purse in it. So I'm going to write, add a pop of color with a fun handbag. And that could be just like a easy second tip for people to read. I can add it down here or up here. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to add it down here, and that'll be good. That'll be my third slide. Actually, I added down here, so I'm actually going to add this one up here to just give like variety for the eye, to like move the eye around. Now I'm going to add another tip, and that'll be this one. That'll be my fourth slide, and that'll be to add a simple belt to give yourself a waist. So don't be afraid to add a belt and cinch your waist. Cute, just like that over here. And then let's click done. My last slide is going to be a call to action. So I'm going to add another image, and I'm going to write something like, actually, before I do that, I'm actually going to use the last slide as a video. So let's actually do instead another tip. So text, throw on a simple pair of heels to elevate the look. Haha, no pun intended. or pun slightly intended, who knows. So let's do, actually let's have some fun with the stickers and like maybe add like something cute like this, you know, or like maybe just like down here. You can play with the filters too if you like. You can like edit the images. It's not necessary, but let's cancel that. And there we go. That'll be my fourth tip, fourth, I lost track. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides. That's good. We're respecting this Pinterest best practices. Each slide offers a different type of tip, different new inspirational image. And the first slide so far has a movable text. Now we also utilized voiceover in the first slide as well as the cool music. So we can also add music throughout the rest of the slides, but I feel like it might be a bit overkill. Actually, can we? No, it doesn't allow you. It doesn't allow you to add music on the rest of the slides. So that's good to know. On standard images, you can't add music, but on videos you can. So the last slide I'm going to use to actually just film myself and give a call to action. So let's give it a shot. Play. I hope you enjoyed my different ways on how to style an all black outfit. Make sure you follow me for more style tips and you visit my website for tips and tricks on how to style your workwear looks for the office. Have an awesome rest of your day. Bye. Let's press done. Play. I hope you enjoyed my different ways on how to style an all black outfit. Make sure you follow me for more style tips and you visit my website. As you can see, I'm actually editing the clip that I just recorded to make sure that it fits like with what I actually want to say. Once the editing of that is completely done, I'm going to go ahead and choose music because why not? Let's close out the idea pin with a bit of music. Now I'm going to edit how high the music is versus the original sound. And then to wrap it all together, I'm going to add the call to action in text format just in case somebody may not be listening to the idea pin. Now that you've completely edited all of your slides, everything's integrated, let's do the list. So let's add a list of what we need to complete the look. So I'm going to add supplies actually. Maybe not supplies. I'm going to do notes. What to prepare. So let's just write accessories for your all black outfit. Number 1. What did I write? A bright colored handbag, heels, pretty blouse, etc. This description over here is actually can be copied. You'll see how it can be copied by somebody who lands on your idea pin so they can then like paste it in their notes to look back on later. So these are my notes for the idea pin. Let's pick a board, women's business outfits. Let's choose that. It has to be relevant board to your topic. And then you can edit the cover, which is so cool. You can't do this on desktop, but you can like choose whatever you want. I'm happy with the first one here. Done. So we added a list, we picked a board, we have to add tags related topics. So black outfits, casual outfits, okay. Let's just type outfits, women's outfits, by color, that's literally what it is, summer outfits. So these will do for now. 3 tags is good. You can add up to 10. You can allow comments, which I highly suggest that you allow comments because pins are indexed, idea pins are indexed based on engagement now. So definitely you want to add comments. And there you go, you want to publish. One quick thing, once you publish an idea pin, only board selection and engagement settings can be edited. Make sure you feel good before you publish. That's important to note too. So let's publish. There you go, that's published. Let's see it live. Hey guys, I'm Adriana from Elegance and I help young professionals easily style outfits for a successful career. Today's video is all about how to style an all black outfit. You can use these outfits as outfit inspiration for a business casual setting, or perhaps you can use these outfits for the office because you have a more relaxed environment. Whatever it is that you like to. So you remember when I said people can copy your description list? It's right over here. Details, and then they can copy the list. All black outfit. So let's keep looking at the slide. So style your all black outfit with a fun blouse. Add a pop of color with a fun handbag. Don't be afraid to add a belt and cinch your waist. Throw on a simple pair of heels to elevate the look. I hope you enjoyed my different ways on how to style an all black outfit. Make sure you follow me for more style tips and you visit my website for tips and tricks on how to style your workwear looks for the office. Have an awesome rest of your day. And there we go. And usually like it would have said like follow over here instead of send, it would have said follow. So there you go. Those are all of the ways that you can utilize the best features on idea pins. This is how you can easily create an idea pin. It took me under 15 minutes to do, and it could be super helpful and beneficial for the sake of your business. There you have it. This is exactly how you can create the best idea pins for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments below or to send me an email if you are one of my clients. Have a lovely rest of your day, and we will chat soon. Bye.